I brought to you guys 20 African hair braiding styles ideas for extra inspiration. Braided cornrows tribal hairstyles. So stay tuned, relax while I dish out these beautiful hairstyles, okay, which you are going to make choice or select from, okay, for your next hair salon appointment. So sit back while I do so. Hey my lovely friends, I trust everyone is doing pretty cool. To our old viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always clicking on the video, okay, for always coming back to watch our videos. We appreciate you all, okay. If it's your first time of being here, thank you so much for clicking on the video. We appreciate you for being here, okay. So you are watching from Peculiar Hair and Styles, where you see the latest in hairstyles trend around the world. Yes, okay, hairstyles like twisting to cornrows, natural hairstyles, braiding hairstyles for adults, kids and more, okay. So you can join the family by subscribing. Put the bell notification to all so you will be the first to watch each time we upload a new video, okay. So guys, let's watch this together. I hope you like the styles. If you do, don't forget to like this video before you leave. Share, yeah, sharing is free, guys. Share this video out, guys. Who knows, this video can be of help for someone out there, okay. Yeah, make sure you share the video, okay. Subscribe if you haven't done that already, or if you're already with the family, you are the best, right? You are the best. I hope you enjoy watching. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment below, share and subscribe if you haven't done that already, okay. See you on my next one. I love you. Bye.